Now that we've done that, let's think about what happens with the strings. Listen to the sound as I move across them. Are they getting higher or lower? So start here. The notes are getting lower the further that we go. It's a bit confusing because this string is, I guess, highest because it's closest to the ceiling, but it's the lowest in sound. So that's your bottom string, that's your top string. Easy. Right, I think it is time to learn the names of the strings. Are you ready? Okay, you might want to get a pen and paper out. You might just want to do it by memory. Like I said before, strings have letter names. So I'm going to start from my low string, my bass string. I'm going to go, it goes E, A, D, G, B, E. So you've got two E's, you've got a low E, and on top you've got a high E. Should we do it again? E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, now what I do is I think of a silly sentence to help me remember this in the beginning. It's definitely helpful. So let's do this. We say, elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Or, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So you just use the letters from the words to remember the names of the strings, okay? So I would highly encourage you to pause the video at this point and make up your own silly sentence. And if you want to email me what you come up with, that would be great, because I'm always looking for new teaching ideas. So if you think you've got a good one, email it to me. Okay, so make up a sentence. It's got to start with E, A, D, G, B, E.